So ladies, let's be real. I mean, someone has to tell this our bros the truth. Girl dem is tired. Girl dem is tired. It's high time jamani, tupumzisheni, tumechoka. Like we've been paying bills since, feels like forever. Girl dem is tired. Like, as a supportive wives we are, it's not like hatutakuwa tuna support. We are good people. Tuta support vitu ndogo ndogo kama nyanya, vitunguu, roiko kizizo tushinda. But I mean, girl dem is tired. Tupumzisheni jamani. And for that reason, ladies, always go for a man with pride. Kwa sababu a man with pride will never allow a lady to pay bills. Hata ile ya kukopi utamrudishia, atakurudishia, but si ati wewe ndo unalipa bills. Tumekubaliana? I mean, tupumzisheni jamani, tumechoka.